Elon Musk's X TV app now available on Google Play and Amazon App Store. If you ever wondered or doubted tycoons like Elon Musk, Bill Gates, and Mark Zuckerberg could come up with a TV app, then you might have been mistaken, as tech billionaire Elon Musk has launched its X TV app. App marketplaces that have been fortunate to have X TV listed on them are Google Play, LG's App Store, and the Amazon App Store. But unfortunately, X TV was not available on Apple TV. Searching X TV on Apple TV instead displayed the Twitter app as we write. The dates for when the X TV app was added on the aforementioned platforms differ, as Amazon says the app was added in July, while LG's App Store pops up with August 29, 2024 to be the date of XTV's inclusion in it. XTV app users need to have an X account in order to feast their eyes with content supported on channels compatible with XTV, bearing immense resemblance with YouTube, with the exception of less costly advertising and more inappropriate content. The Elon Musk-owned XTV app promises to feature exclusive content, including live events and news. The appearance of ads hints at a promise not kept, as ex-CEO Linda Yasarino has said XTV won't see ads during the initial phase of launch. The XTV app description on Google Play stated, "The X app is the trusted global digital town square for everyone on your TV. Discover a new way to experience the world of X as we bring you unique and engaging content right to your living room."